Hello everyone! In this video, I'm giving you an honest review of Elementor for beginners, covering both the pros and the cons, so you can decide if it's the right website builder for you. Elementor is one of the most popular WordPress page builders, and it's known for its drag-and-drop interface that allows anyone, even without coding skills, to design professional websites quickly. Let's start with the good side first. The first major advantage of Elementor is its user-friendly interface. Everything is visual. You can drag widgets like text boxes, images, buttons, and forms right onto your page and see changes instantly. This live editing experience makes it very easy for beginners to understand how their website will actually look once published. There's no need to constantly switch between editing and preview modes, which saves a ton of time. The second big pro is design flexibility. Elementor gives you full control over every section of your site. You can adjust margins, spacing, colors, and typography with just a few clicks. You can also create responsive designs that look perfect on mobile, tablet, and desktop. The built-in templates are another great bonus. Elementor offers hundreds of pre-designed pages that you can customize to fit your brand or niche. Whether you're building a portfolio, an e-commerce store, or a blog, there's something for everyone. Another benefit is that Elementor integrates seamlessly with WordPress plugins. You can connect WooCommerce, MailChimp, Rank Math SEO, and even your favorite membership plugins without hassle. It also supports shortcodes and custom CSS for those who want advanced customization. And the global style settings help you keep a consistent look across all your pages, which is perfect for branding. Now let's talk about performance. Elementor is powerful, but that power comes with a cost. The main issue many users face is that it can sometimes slow down websites if not optimized properly. Too many widgets, animations, or add-ons can bloat your site and affect page speed. However, using a good caching plugin, optimized images, and lightweight themes can reduce this problem significantly. Next up is pricing. Elementor offers a free version, which is great for small projects or learning the basics. It includes essential widgets like images, headings, and buttons. But to unlock advanced features like theme building, pop-ups, dynamic content, and motion effects, you'll need the Pro version. The Pro version starts at a reasonable price per year, but for absolute beginners or hobby users, the cost can feel a bit high compared to some competitors that offer lifetime deals. Now for the cons. Starting with compatibility issues. Sometimes when WordPress or other plugins update, Elementor might temporarily conflict with them. This can cause layout issues or bugs. While Elementor's team usually fixes these quickly, it can be frustrating if your website relies on it for business. Another downside is that too much freedom can be overwhelming for beginners. With so many design options and settings, new users might spend hours tweaking small details. It's easy to get caught up in design perfection and forget about functionality. So it's best to start simple, use templates, and then learn customization step by step. Also, if you decide to deactivate Elementor, your content doesn't disappear, but the layout does. You'll be left with plain text and shortcodes, meaning your design won't stay intact. This can make switching to another builder or back to classic WordPress a bit of a hassle. Now let's talk about support and community. Elementor has a huge user community, active Facebook groups, and detailed documentation. The Pro version includes premium support, and their tutorials are some of the best for WordPress beginners. However, the free users might feel limited since official support mainly caters to Pro subscribers. To sum it up, Elementor is one of the best tools for people who want full design freedom without coding. It's perfect for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who wants to create beautiful websites fast. The pros include ease of use, stunning templates, responsive design, and powerful integrations. The cons are potential slowdowns, plugin conflicts, and a slight learning curve for complete beginners. If you're looking for creative control, Elementor is a fantastic starting point. But if performance and simplicity matter more than visuals, you might want to explore lighter options. Overall, Elementor strikes a great balance between design flexibility and usability, making it an ideal choice for most beginners who want their website to stand out without writing a single line of code. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.